Hello everyone, welcome to MCQ Nerd. Today's GK is on Sports 2026 Current Affairs question. Let's get into it. In April 2026, which Indian Grandmaster made history by becoming the first Indian woman to win the FIDE Women's Candidates Tournament? Correct answer is C. Vaishali Rameshbabu won the event in Nicosia, Cyprus, with 14 points. To win the 2026 Women's Candidates title, Vaishali Rameshbabu defeated which Russian Grandmaster in a must-win final round? Answer is B. She defeated Katerina Lanyo in round 14. India made history in March 2026 by winning the ICC Men's T20 World Cup. Which team did they defeat in the final held at the Narendra Modi Stadium? Correct answer is C. India defeated New Zealand by 96 runs to clinch their third overall T20 World Cup title. Which Indian shooter set a new junior world record in the 10m air pistol mixed team event at the ISSF World Cup 2026 in Grenada? Answer is B. Mukesh Neelavalli and Palak Gulia set a combined world record score of 487.7. Who won the only gold medal for India at the 2026 Asian Indoor Athletics Championships held in Tianjin, China? Correct answer is B. Tejaswin Shankar won gold in the men's heptathlon with 5,993 points. In January 2026, which team won its maiden Ranji Trophy title by defeating Karnataka? Correct answer is B. Jammu and Kashmir secured their first ever Ranji Trophy title via a first innings lead. India and which other country launched the Centenary Sports Cooperation Program in early 2026 to celebrate 100 years of sporting ties? Correct answer is C. The program commemorates the 1926 Indian Army Hockey Tour to New Zealand. Which city is set to host the 2026 Asian Weightlifting Championships in April, marking the first time India has hosted the event since 1982? Correct answer is C. The championships are scheduled to take place in Ahmedabad. At the 2026 Winter Olympics in Milan Cortina, which Indian athlete achieved the country's best ever finish in their respective event, 39th position? Answer is B. Skier Arif Khan finished 39th, the highest rank for an Indian at the 2026 Games. Who was named the player of the match in the final of the 2026 ICC Men's T20 World Cup? Correct answer is C. Jasprit Bumrah took 4 wickets in the final to secure the title. Which domestic cricket team won the 2025-26 Vijay Hazare Trophy in January 2026? Answer is A. Vidarbha defeated Saurashtra by 38 runs to win their maiden title. In March 2026, the Asian Games 2026 broadcasting rights for India were secured by which network for an estimated $3.50 to $4 million? Correct answer, B. Sony Pictures Networks India secured the rights for the Nagoya 2026 Games. Which Indian women's badminton player won the 2026 Thailand Masters, becoming only the third Indian woman to win a BWF Super 300 title? Correct answer is C. Devika Sehwag clinched the women's singles title. Vaishali entered the 2026 Candidates Tournament with what unique distinction among the 8 competitors? Answer is C. She started as the lowest rated player but still emerged as the champion. In February 2026, which team won the inaugural edition of the Hockey India League, HIL, women's title? Correct answer, B. The Delhi SG Pipers won the women's title in a penalty shoot-off. India's men's Regu team recently won a historic first ever gold medal at the World Cup of which sport in 2025-26? Correct answer is B. The Indian men's Regu team defeated Japan in the final held in Patna. Who was the winner of the 2026 Women's Premier League,